Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to publish video on YouTube. First, navigate to YouTube Studio after signing in. Look for the Create button, usually located in the top right corner, and click it. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. You can then easily drag and drop your video file directly into the upload area or browse your computer to select the file you wish to share with the world. This simple process gets your content ready for the next steps. Once your video is uploading, it is crucial to add a compelling title, ideally under 100 characters, and a detailed description, which can be up to 5,000 characters. Next, select an eye-catching thumbnail that accurately represents your content and encourages clicks. Don't forget to include relevant tags. These keywords help YouTube understand your video's topic and improve its discoverability in search results, reaching a wider audience. After optimizing your video's metadata, you need to define its audience. Clearly indicate if your content is made for kids or not, as this impacts various features. Then, choose your video's visibility from 3 options: public, unlisted, or private. Public makes it available to everyone, unlisted shares it via a direct link, and private restricts access. You can also schedule your video to go live at a specific date and time. Before hitting publish, take a moment for final checks. Review all the details you've entered, including your title, description, and tags, ensuring everything is accurate. If applicable, confirm your monetization settings are correct. Perform a quick copyright check to avoid any issues with music or visuals. Once you are confident, click the Publish button to share your creation with millions of viewers worldwide. Congratulations, your video is now live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.